Yeah, makes sense.
Hmm.
So do you say your price in the discovery call or the proposal?
So I say it in the proposal because I do like the custom pricing
Yeah.
because it makes the business owner um feel more important, and
Mm,
that's what you want them to feel, that like I mean you do actually respect them and stuff, but like it's like, oh, I get custom pricing that fits my needs. um that's an affordable price and that they're not going to be overcharged anything. um
yeah.
but I usually say
And
it
going forward,
during.
they can see what they're paying for written on paper.
Yeah. So I do it during the proposal because A, the custom pricing, and B, what's the other reason? It establishes my value even more. Like it completely, like the proposal completely lays out how my services are gonna help them reach their goals. And during that they ask me questions. Then I answer those questions, which establishes even more value for me and shows
Mm,
that I am the one who can get them to where they want to be. So that way, at the end of the proposal, they see the price, and then I just go over because as soon as they see the price, they they don't forget everything, but it's kind of like shut down, and it's like, okay, the price, I gotta lower it somewhere. Um, you want to just reestablish everything that you do is gonna help them grow their business, and you want to show that your results based guarantee is there, so that way if you don't give them the results that they're asking for, you're going to give them back you're going to give them back their money. So yeah, so just at the end of the proposal, that's when you talk about price. So that's why most commercials or things that you see, like if you remember infomercials, they make the product look so amazing and stuff, then they establish the price. That's for a reason. If they told you the price up front, you would just focus on the price and not care about anything else. But once the commercial shows you like all the fun you can have, all the value that you get from the product or service, then they say the price. Then
mm,
it makes more sense for you to get it because like, oh, I'm getting all this value and stuff for only 19.95 plus shipping and handling. Um
yeah.
yeah, so